In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Outlook add-in for HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing and CRM efforts, integrating HubSpot with Outlook is a game changer. The setup process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. You'll find the URL easily on any major search engine, but if you have it bookmarked, even better. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner for the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password and hit the login button again. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your launching point for all the powerful tools HubSpot provides. Now look towards the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a navigational menu. From this menu, locate and click on Settings. It's typically represented by a gear icon, making it easy to spot. After clicking on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, scroll through the options until you find the Email tab. This is the crucial part because it's where you will manage all email configurations related to HubSpot. So, click on Email and let's move forward. Now that you're in the email settings, look for the link that reads Download the email extension. This is where you'll begin the process of integrating HubSpot with Outlook. Clicking the link will direct you to another page where you have the option to download different HubSpot extensions. Once here, you'll want to focus on downloading the correct add-in for your system. Since we're setting up the HubSpot Sales add-in for Outlook on a Windows PC, you'll specifically look for a link or button that says Download HubSpot Sales add-in for Outlook Windows PC. Go ahead and click on that to start the download. The download should only take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once it's complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to run the installer. Follow any prompts to complete the installation process. The add-in will be integrated into your Outlook application, allowing you to start using HubSpot's capabilities directly from your email client. That's it. You've successfully set up the Outlook add-in for HubSpot. This integration will help you track emails, log activities, and manage your customer relationships more efficiently right from your Outlook inbox. Don't forget to sync your contacts for a seamless experience and explore all the features to get the most out of this powerful tool. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.